Well, hello, you beautiful sack of haunted meat. It is I, your coach, Melanie Black, and today we are answering a question from Quora. Which mistakes should be avoided when building muscle mass urgently? Really urgently. Okay, so first mistake you want to avoid is probably the obvious one and something that somebody already hopped in and helps this guy out with, which is don't get injured. Really, really important that you don't get injured. That will set you back weeks. A lot of times when we feel urgency with our exercise, with our workouts, trying to get at a certain outcome, we overdo it, get overzealous, and dive in. But what does that actually mean as far as where you're at? Well, it kind of depends on how much training you've had previously and where you're at along that whole continuum. But basically, you want to stick with exercises that are really simple, really basic exercises. Don't try to do anything new that requires a whole lot of coordination. When it comes to mass building, it's really important that you're working at an intensity that you can go to failure at regularly. And if you're going to go to failure at an exercise, you have to be able to do that safely, which means you shouldn't be doing something so complex or something so new that you end up injuring yourself. So stick with what you know. So I'm going to assume that you already know how to do things like squats, bicep curls, deadlifts, rows, tricep extensions, push-ups, all of the basic exercises. If you know how to do these and can do them well, you can move on to the next step. If you don't know how to do those well yet, then the first thing you got to do is practice and get good and really refine your form on all of these without going to failure, without worrying about extra muscle mass. Okay. Now, once you have your form locked in on these things, the second big mistake that I would avoid, jumping away from exercise for a moment, is avoid buying a whole lot of expensive supplements. You really don't need any of that junk. It can be really tempting when you're first into mass building, first into an exercise program, to want to get the protein powder and the different metabolic mixes and all this kind of stuff. Now, if you are not getting enough protein in your regular nutrition plan, 2 grams per kilogram of body weight ish, or a gram per pound of body weight, then yeah, you can go ahead and supplement some of that in with a protein powder. Don't get sidetracked by fancy language on this stuff. Get the cheapest protein powder that you can get your hands on. And then as far as other supplements, the only one that I would really recommend that you maybe add if you're looking to build mass specifically is creatine. But be aware that you do not need to do a loading phase with creatine, although many of the packaging say do a loading phase because they want to sell you more product. Okay, so just plain old creatine, plain old protein powder if you need to supplement your protein. But these things alone will not get you the results that you're after. We want to build muscle mass urgently. The most important thing is making sure that you're doing the exercise and getting enough recovery and enough food in your system. It's back to basics, y'all. So we want to make sure that for your exercises, when you're engaging in your exercise program, that you're really fatiguing each muscle group at least once per week. Most bodybuilding specific programs will split the body parts so that you're just doing maybe chest and triceps on one day, back and biceps on another day, legs on another day, for an example. More is more when it comes to bodybuilding, but you want to make sure your recovery is good. So you want to be on a rigorous program that takes the muscles to fatigue, then get enough recovery, enough sleep, enough water, enough food, enough protein. And then rinse, wash, repeat week after week after week. And remember that no matter how urgent it feels to build that muscle mass, it will take time. And depending on your age, on your different hormone levels and all this kind of stuff, you may or may not be able to naturally build the physique that you're after. If you look at bodybuilders, massive bodybuilders, most of them have some chemical help, if you know what I mean. So be realistic with your expectations for yourself and really try to enjoy the process. Bodybuilding is really hard. It's great fun for all us masochists out there who really like to push ourselves, feel that intensity. There's a lot of wonderful benefits to that, but if you're in a headspace where you're like, oh, in 2 weeks I got to look good for the beach, tell you what, take those 2 weeks to appreciate your body where it's at, start on a good program, and enjoy every process, every step along that journey. And yeah, so mistakes that should be avoided: don't spend money on supplements, don't be in too much of a rush that you end up injuring yourself. Stick with exercises that you know that you can do with excellent form, and make sure your recovery is outstanding. You don't want to have poor recovery, poor sleep, bad nutrition, not enough water. So those are the mistakes that I would avoid if you are trying to build muscle mass urgently. Okay, if you got questions, you don't have to post them to Quora. That's a cesspool of bad answers that comes over that way. You can go ahead and ask me directly in the comments down below, or you can go ahead and join the Nerd Gym if you're not already a member. We do live classes, nutrition plans, help, advice, everything that you need to be successful in your fitness journey and love yourself every step of the way. Heck yeah, you can go ahead and join the Nerd Gym by going to www.thenerdgym.com. That'll take you to our Patreon page. You can sign up at any membership level to get started, to get a one-on-one consultation with me, and we'll address your specific questions and your specific issues and get you on the right program for your goals. All right, I'm Melanie Black, and I will see you next time. Please like, subscribe, do all the things. See you next time. Bye.